If you have a drive that is initialized as MBR and is larger than 2 terabytes, you may find that Windows 11 10 diskpart cannot extend the partition beyond 2 terabytes. To solve this problem, you can convert the disk to GPT style, as it can work with disks larger than 2 terabytes. Solution 1. Convert MBR to GPT disks without data loss. AOMI Partition Assistant Standard Edition is recommended here. This free software can convert data disks from MBR and GPT formats without deleting any partitions and without losing any data. You can download this free tool in the video below. 1. Right-click the disk you want to convert and select Convert to GPT. 2. Click OK to confirm your action. 3. Click Apply to proceed. Solution 2. Convert FAT32 to NTFS without data loss. If diskpart cannot extend the partition beyond 2 terabytes after converting the disk to GPT, you need to check the file system used by the drive. If it is FAT32, you need to convert it to NTFS. 1. Click Convert, then click Convert to NTFS/FAT32. 2. Select FAT32 to NTFS. 3. The program will list the partitions formatted with FAT32. Select the partition you want to convert, then click Next, then continue to start the conversion. Thank you for watching here. See you in the next 2 videos. If you have any questions, please leave a comment or send us an email.